Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I'll show you how to fix ZTE 5G router charging socket is broken. So today I'll show you how to bypass this. This charging socket is not available in the market. So this is Chinese products. It is available here in the Saudi Arabia. So first I have to remove the screw and can see the products inside. And see guys, the jack is broken. So have available new in the market. So first I have to remove that broken part. See, there have some still broken, and you have to remove that part using the iron, soldering iron. So I have to broken that. It's very strong. Okay guys, here is the adapter. So I will cut that adapter and I put inside that plastic the cable, and also now I have to put inside the boxes. Here is the two cable. So first I have to check where is the negative and positive. So I put the cable inside box, and guys, now I'll check the positive and negative. You have to check it fast. Where is the positive, where is the negative? So guys, I find the negative and positive. If you don't have the multimeter, the white and black, that is the positive, and the black, that is the negative. So first I am connecting the positive. You can see the positive wire, they have the white and black, and total black, that is the negative. So this port is negative connection. So I am connecting now the negative. I have already connection the positive. Here I connect the negative. Okay guys, so it's almost done. So now I will put inside the box. You see how I put it. This way is very easy way you can fix a router at home. Now I return back that plastic part. See, easy way it will be fitting. Okay, now I back part, return all the screw here. Okay guys, and the front part also have 4 screw here. Now I return the plastic part, and now I connect in the power. I hope it is working, and you can see guys, this router is done working now. So also have the SIM card inside. So guys, if your router is broken charging jack like that, you can to make it direct with your adapter. Just cut the adapter socket and make it connection direct with the charging port. It will be work very good. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you.